Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Ella dishes it out. Today I'm going to be making I'm in my brand new home and still unpacking things. But anyway, today I'm going to be making some good old fried catfish and some potato salad. So let's get started. I already got started actually with the catfish. I seasoned it up already and now I'm just frying it up. It's time to put some more pieces in there. So just hold on. I'm going to grab the other pieces of fish. Okay, I can probably put one more in here. I'm just going to lay that right there. I always cook them flat side down first. That helps prevent them from rolling up, curling up. So that's why I do that. And this one is ready to flip over, I believe. I don't have my spatulas. They're all packed up somewhere in some of those boxes over there. So I have to look for them later on. So we'll come back and check on these in a few minutes. Okay, this fish is frying up very, very well. Some pieces are ready to come out, like that one. Golden brown, delicious looking fish. Put that in there. Another golden brown piece. Another golden brown piece. I'm putting it on the paper towel so the oil can drain off of it. And the skillet is ready for some more fish. I'm going to flip this one over. That's the last one I just put in there. I'm going to put some more fish in there. Two last pieces to go. All right, we're going to fry that up and then we're going to plate up our dinner a little bit later. I got my potatoes and eggs boiling in this pot right here. So we'll be ready to go in a little while. Okay, I have it all plated up for you. Some Southern style fried chicken and some field peas with snaps and potato salad, y'all. Doesn't this look delicious? And over here, I've got the rest of my potato salad and my field peas and what's left of the fish. So, thank you guys for tuning into my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. And as always, bon appetit.